In today's presentation, I'm going to talk about women that are trying to get pregnant, and I have some fertility guide, 8 ways to boost how to get pregnant. So this is a really interesting presentation, and if you're wanting to have a baby, you want to have children, go ahead and continue to listen in to this presentation that I'm going to share with you. Anyway, my name is Lottie Ann Silvis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I try to find topics that people want answers for. And so I'm going to share this with you. I'm going to take you step by step what to do. And, if you want to repeat the video, go ahead and watch it again. I also wanted to share with all of you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, leave a comment and share with me that you have subscribed to my channel, and give me a feedback, a comment of this video, so that way I can make more videos, more presentations like this. So get excited. Okay, let's get started. Let's prepare for you to get pregnant. Now, tip number 1, work out when you're ovulating. Number 1, while there is no wrong time to have sex, there's definitely a right time, and it's not necessarily day 14 of your menstrual cycle. It's very important to work out while you're ovulating. Number 2, if your menstrual cycle is regular, a simple trick is to subtract 14 days from the end of your cycle to work out the day you ovulated. Then aim to have sex every 2 days, starting a week before your next ovulation date. Tip number 2, eat well. Number 1, a healthy, balanced diet is crucial for a healthy body and successful conception. Eating well will help you maintain a normal hormonal balance and certain nutrients such as vitamins B6, B12, and folic acid. This enhances your fertility. Number 2, make sure that your diet contains plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables, whole grain, and lean white meat or fish. Also, try to limit your consumption of sugary and fatty foods and alcohol. Tip number 3, cut out caffeine. Number 1, although government advice suggests that caffeine in moderation is safe during pregnancy, the Food Standards Agency recommends no more than 300 milligrams of caffeine. This is equivalent to 4 cups of coffee per day. This can increase the risk of miscarriage. Number 2, a recent study in the American Journal Obstetrics and Gynecology found that women who drank more than 200 milligrams of caffeine a day had double the risk of miscarriage compared with abstainers. Opt for herbal tea instead. Tip number 4, reduce stress. Number 1, stress can really hinder your chances of conception, whether it's stress about your job, home life, or the very fact that you're trying to have a baby. Number 2, experts know that high levels of stress in women can change hormone levels and cause irregular ovulation. To aid relaxation, try meditation, breathing techniques, or simply take the time to read your favorite magazine. Tip number 5, herbal remedies. Western herbal remedies such as Vitex, Agnus castus, also known as chaste tree, are thought to help to restore hormonal balance in women, and research supports its use in treating infertility. In fact, it's most extensively researched herb in connection with hormonal problems. Take it as a tincture every morning of your cycle, but don't use it if there's a chance you could be pregnant. Tip number 6, yoga. Yoga helps to strengthen your body and is thought to be especially useful for toning the pelvic area, as well as reducing stress and improving blood flow to the reproductive organs. You could try a DVD to practice at home, such as Yoga for Fertility by Brenda Strong, or find a general yoga class near you. Tip number 7, acupuncture. The jury's still out on whether acupuncture, the application of the fine needles into points of the body, can help boost fertility. But a recent analysis of trials measuring the success of acupuncture immediately before or after IVF found a 65% increase in chance of becoming pregnant. Tip number 8, boost your partner's fertility. Getting pregnant takes both of you, so ensure that your man is in optimum condition too, starting with cutting back on alcohol and stop smoking. A multivitamin mineral supplement could also help, as vitamin E and B vitamins are especially important for a healthy sperm. Well, this ends this presentation, and I want to thank you all for following and watching this whole video. If you're trying to get pregnant, this is great tips for you to follow. Keep watching this video if you want to listen to it again. And thank you for listening to this presentation about fertility. All right, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm Lottie Ann Selvis. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Watch the next video.